brand new lift is soaking in oil just for this purpose. So let's see what happens. I think it's a bad lifter.
Well, it definitely ain't clean in there because it sat with condensation for like 5 years. Alrighty, fire in the hole. Come on. Oh, I think I'm out of gas. Woo! She's making noise. Hear that? That's a lot of noise. No oil. I don't see any oil. Oh, see, man, ain't no oil coming up. No wonder. Oil pressure's done. I gotta try that one more time. It can't be true. I don't see any oil.
I'm going to start it one more time. I'm having a heart attack. I'd have to pull the motor out. I'd have to do this whole thing over again. This is unbelievable.
I see oil coming up. I see oil coming up. Not a lot. Sounds like it's up here. That's a lot of noise.
But it's pretty dry, man. There's nothing up there. Little tiny bit coming out everywhere because it's hot.
That's insane. I can't believe how noisy it is. That is completely insane. There's definitely no oil pressure. I'm going to stop running it. But I'll try it one more time when it's ice cold and see what happens.